Okay, good morning. For those of you who aren't quite here, well, you'll obviously, hopefully, watch this at some point. So just wanted to, it's the first lesson of the week, let you see a human face and just tell you briefly what we're going to do today. So today is our final lesson on simultaneous equation. Well, we've got tomorrow's single, but we're just going to use that to review some of the stuff we're going to do today. So what I've done for you, just like we did a couple of weeks ago, is I've just made a quick little quiz for you to do on Teamy. It's the same format as before. You've got your Google document, which you're going to open up, look at the questions, work them out in your book, put the working out in the little box at the bottom, and then write your values into the spaces that are coloured in blue. There are 10 questions for you to do. So we've got 2 questions which you have to use a specific method. So like you must use elimination or you must do substitution. I've got 2 questions you can solve with any method. I've got a little graphical one where you're going to have to draw a nice little graph, but don't worry, I've made it easy for you. And then we've got a couple of word problems. The first part of the question is just to write down the equations you're using, and the second part is just to give me the solutions. And then the final question is just a 3-variable one, which I have put on there. I know some of you may not have got to that yet, but that's okay. This is not graded. It's not like a test. Okay, so you don't need, if there's parts you can't do, that's absolutely fine. It's just more for me, so I have a little record of what at the end of this unit, what you can and can't do. And then if you finish all that, I've just put a couple of bonus questions at the end. If you don't get to them, don't worry. So just a couple of bonus questions that you can try. We've got one with a quadratic and one of them which has got 7 variables, a little puzzle for you. So that's those. I'd like everyone to try and answer, everyone should the first 9. The first 9 questions, I think we've all seen questions like it so far. Question 10, it'd be nice if you could try. I think most of you probably, from what I've seen of the work you've done so far, would be able to do that. And then once you've done that, and that is it for the unit. And then later on today, I'll have a look at your answers and I will check what you've done. And just like before, you'll be able to log in and see which questions you got correct and which questions you didn't. So I posted on Teamy today, obviously today's post. If you look on that, there is a link which links you directly to the quiz. If you can't find that, it's in materials. So if you just go to Teamy, go to materials, go to the bottom of the page, there's a little thing that says simultaneous equations quiz, end of unit. And if you click on that, and it will take you to a little that says, blah, 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 do you want to submit? And then if you click submit, it doesn't actually submit your answer. It basically brings up a copy of a Google document, which is the one you're going to fill in. And if none of that works, okay, I've put a direct link to the document you need. I'm also going to add it into this chat now so that you have it if you need it. So I'll also put it in the Google Hangout chat, the one at the bottom of your email. So I'll just basically spam you with all of those, so you have easily enough to do it. We'll share the answers. So I will share those for you, and I'll obviously be around if you are struggling. But try obviously and answer as many of the questions as you can on your own, and then that's going to be it for today. So if you have any questions, like I said, I'll just put the link in there. If you struggle, the link is on there. I'll also put it, like I promised, in the Google chat, which is there. But please, if you can, don't use this link. Use the one on Teamy, because then it's much easier to submit it. So try it on Teamy, and if it doesn't work, refer to this. So if you're happy and you know what to do, then please feel free to stop listening to me wittering on and go and have a go at the quiz. If you can't do a question, just put NA, but do try and do the first 9. And if you still have anything you want to ask, please type it in now. I'll stay here for a couple of minutes. So type it in if you have any questions. If not, good luck. Go and have a go at the questions. And yeah. Oh, if you can let me know when you're finished, and as soon as you're finished, then I will know that you're also done and I can go through and check your answers. Okay, plugging in. No questions? Any questions? I guessed as much, Natalie. It would have been weird otherwise. I felt uncomfortable. So bye. Isn't this nice? Nice when you say bye. Such interaction. We're really building community. Okay, I'm going to assume everyone's leaving. So you can always drop in if you need any questions. As always, I'm here waiting eagerly for your input. So have a go at the quiz. Hit me up if you have any questions.